Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to buy XRP, also known as Ripple. Let's get started. First, open your Binance app, then log into your account. Scroll down the homepage and tap on View More to access additional features. Next, look for XRP in the available cryptocurrencies list. Once you find it, tap on it to open the XRP page. On the XRP page, tap the Buy button. Here, you can enter the amount of XRP you'd like to purchase based on your budget. Take a moment to review your input to ensure it's correct. For this guide, we'll use the P2P trading option. Tap on P2P trading to see a list of sellers offering XRP. Choose a seller that meets your needs, taking note of their price and trade completion rate. Once you've selected a seller, enter the amount you wish to purchase and confirm your order. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly. Finally, double-check the details of your order and confirm the payment. Once the payment is verified, the XRP will appear in your wallet. Congratulations, you now own XRP. And that's it. You've successfully bought XRP using Binance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching.